Hello, Chef here, and what do we have here? Oh, some homemade soft rolls. I don't do a lot of baking on this channel, however, I do some baking, so I'm gonna give you some tips and some ideas and things here with these soft rolls. So real quickly, I'm just gonna use a small knife and put a little score across each one of these because the score will release a little bit of steam and it just looks cool. So that's the two things I'm doing right here, is just scoring them a little bit. All right, and these are pretty easy to make. I'm gonna list a recipe for you on how to make these. These are considered soft rolls or dinner rolls. Real simple. I'm gonna do a quick egg wash here. I've got just some egg and some milk, and I'm just gonna brush a little of this egg wash right across the top of each of these, and then I'm gonna put these babies in the oven. I'm gonna bake these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until they're nice and brown. It's gonna take about maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes, something like that. All right, so you need to learn the basic steps of bread baking, and then making bread is pretty easy. First, I suggest you visit the sponsor right there. Try the boulé. Boulé is a hard-crusted Italian or French style bread. Once you make the boulé, you're going to read a little more and click the links so you'll learn the 12 steps of bread baking. I will touch on them real quickly. First, you have scaling your ingredients, mixing your ingredients, proofing fermentation stage, resting stage, punching stage, scaling, shaping, panning, proofing, baking, and then cooling. After cooling, of course, you have storage or bagging and putting them in an airtight container. So there's a few steps involved here, obviously, but yeah, recipe's gonna follow. I suggest you try out some of the bread baking, and be sure to hit up the sponsor right there. Check out the boulé, check out the butcher blocks and everything else. I'll be back to show you these finished. The finished rolls, looking really, really good. So the next step with these rolls, I'll show you the bottoms, the tops here. Ooh, they're hot. The next step is cooling. So these babies go on a rack, just like this. You want to put them on a rack so they can cool off. Leave a comment. Watch the next video, and I'll use these rolls in the recipe. And make sure to visit the website, check out the boulé recipe, and the 12 steps of baking. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And you want to keep some skinning knives on here like this. These are pretty cool. Maybe a couple up, a couple down. Wow, I kind of like that setup. Pretty nice. Check it out. These are all available on your sponsor. And please like, share, subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Keep cooking. Yeah. All right, that's the video. Get cooking. They're having some sales on there and some good deals. You can't go wrong. This block here is over 10 years old. Yeah, very, very sharp. Okay, it's not even puncturing my thumb here. Okay, really, really nice. So if you're looking for the good stuff, right there, your sponsor.